Hi there, this is Adventure Rider, Pandit Fakir Yogi Brindra Yogi, and in front of you is parked my Suzuki VStrom 250. My plan is to go to the heaviest bike. 800D has been launched, 650 XT is there, 1050D is there. But I want to start with the smallest one, the baby VStrom. Beloved friends, when I bought this bike, it was looking so heavy, I was feeling it so difficult that I dropped it dozens of times. And when it dropped, my heart dropped, stopped beating because I love it so much. I have no money, I borrowed it, got a loan from bank, and then I bought it and it is falling. So it was very sad experience. Then I started watching the YouTube videos by different experts. One being Andrei Bodrov of Russia, another being be boss of your own motorbikes, and so on and so forth. Then I learned friction zone technique. And then I learned how to handle the bike, though it is heavy. Every trick of the trade I learned, keep it vertical. And when you are driving the bike, keep it fully loaded. Because the machine itself is just metal, no life. Its life is the power which it is gaining through the engine and controlled by the throttle. So as long as throttle has power, it means it is loaded, and you are supplying that power by controlling the clutch in the friction zone. The bike is giant. It will never fall. Slow speed mastery, U-turn mastery, circling mastery, going figure 8 mastery, and then feeling you are the master and the bike is your slave. It is something like your mind. If you learn how to tame your mind, you will be the greatest. Or if the mind tames you, it can lead you to any up and down, because thought in the mind will make you. Similarly, the practice of all the fundamentals I have told you can only make you a very superior adventure bike riders. Weight has no meaning, my friend. Even Schwarzenegger cannot handle BMW R 1250 GS, and so many heavier bikes are there. They are near about 700 kg, 800 kg. They are giant beast. So you have to handle not by your physical force, but by your skill. That is called friction zone technique. Now let's come to talk about something, the VStrom. This is one of the best bike available in India and all over the world. This is light, only 167 kg, and it has got a wonderful engine, 250, 245, which give you 249 probably, gives you 62.5 bhp at 9,900 RPM, and it also gives you good torque of 22.2 at 7,300 RPM. It's good machine, lot of power. But remember, lot of experts who are doing reviews, they told about this bike. Is it really worthy of being named VStrom? Not really. So many people said that. They joked it, they mocked it. But I tell you, there is no difference in 250, 650, 800D and 1050. Difference lies only the power and only the higher price. But DNA is the same. DNA remains the same. It is a real VStrom. But it is having less power. Because once you are going for adventure riding, you need so much of bhp, so much of torque. That doesn't have it. Understand, my friend? Because it is just a sports crossover. So if you ask me, and if you think it is a review, yes, it is a review. It is the best adventure bike in this category. But there are two characters, on-road and off-road. It is more of a on-road sports touring bike than tough, hardcore off the trails. It is not made like that. Power is less. Also, you see the front rim and tire, they are just 19. It is 190 or 19, and they are 12 spokes, aluminium alloy. So once you are going for hardcore off-roading, you need 21 inch. As you see, the Himalayas, the Himalayan from Royal Enfield, and all the heavier adventure bikes, they are having spoke wheels. But it can do medium type off-roading, and it is really excellent. So you understand the limitation. Suzuki is not claiming it is a hardcore off-roader, because it knows it is a less power. Power is nothing, man. 26 bhp is hell, nothing. 22 Newton meter torque is nothing. But it is the baby VStrom. Now I'm planning to go for 800D, which is recently launched. Maybe 650 also, because it has been upgraded during 24 years. Day by day, years by years, they have upgraded. It is meeting the emission norms, BS6 in India. So they have done a lot of modifications. But it has some aging effect. You see the speedometer and all, you see they are analog. Things have become digital, so it looks a little odd. Also you see the muffler, it is very tall, and so many things which has made it aged, but still it remains the most reliable, the versatile, great off-roader. Maybe I will get this one, and that will be not crazy to go for all the VStroms. I am 68, my friend, and I tell you also my plan. I cannot retain all these VStroms. I will go for exchange, upgrading myself, and I am sure Suzuki will really help me. This is a brand new bike, wonderful, well maintained. I will just exchange, pay the extra price. In India, that Suzuki VStrom 650 ex-showroom price is 8,000, 9,200, 785. On road it will come near about 10 lakhs. I told you 8 lakh, 92,000, 750. On road price will be near about 10 lakh, odd here and there, because life tax on roads and insurance. I love it, I like it, I enjoy it. Now it is a toy, man, it is a toy. नाच मेरी बुलबुल की पैसा मिलेगा, नाच मेरी, अरे नाच मेरी VStrom. अरे बाबू आए, नचाता हूँ इसको, उंगली पर नचाता हूँ मेरे भाई. Where there is a will, there is a way. Once upon a time, the VStrom by making nattu. Now I make it nattu. Because of willpower, determination, commitment, and practice. Thank you, viewers.